Hey loves, how are you all? I hope you all are doing really very great. So today I've recreated an inspired look by one of my favorite content creator and a YouTuber, that is none other than Shreya Jain. She very recently collaborated with MAC Cosmetics and created some really beautiful kits for this festive season. I'm going to mention each and every link to that in case you guys want to check it out. I created this look specifically from the Lal Ishq, and I'm going to use certain products from Lal Ishq, and this is somewhat how the packaging of this one looks like. I'm going to recreate the look that you can see right now on the screen itself, and let's get started to see how we got this look. From Lal Ishq, I'm going to take the Mini MAC Fix Plus and I'm going to put a beautiful veil all over my skin. And once that is done, with the help of my fingers, I'm going to tap the product in. After this, I'm going to go forward to the MAC Strobing Cream, and this is in the shade of Peachlite. Focusing majorly on the highest point of my face, I'm just going to massage it very gently all over my skin and then tap it in. Next, I'm going to use the MAC Prep Plus Prime and going to smoothen those areas wherever I have large pores or areas wherever I feel that I would need that smoothness. So I'm majorly focusing on my nose area and just going to spread it everywhere wherever it's needed. For the foundation, I'm going to use the Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade of NC25. Usually I tend to make my concoction from NC20 and NC25, but today I'm using 25 for this look, and this is one of my cult favorite foundation. For the concealer, we are using the Maybelline Age Refined Concealer. In case you will be looking at the picture very closely, you will be able to see that the major focus is on the lips, and rest of the things has kept very simple, classic and effortless, and that's what we're going to be achieving in this look right here. So I'm just going to set off the under eye area, and wherever I have applied a good amount of concealer, I'm going to set it with the Studio Fix. For that light amount of bronziness, I'm going to use that L'Oreal Back to Bronze. I'm not going to go ham with the product, just a little bit will go a long way. And for my blush, I'm going to take the Isadora Perfect blush. All the information about the shades will be there in the description, so do not forget to check that out in the last. Now, taking a concoction of the blush and the bronzer, we're going to be taking the color outward to make the look go very snatched, and to make everything look very cohesive, we are also going to be taking on the lower lash line. Never go ham with the product, take little by little. For the eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I'm going to be making it very bushy because she has gone for a very bushy and filled in kind of eyebrows. I'm going to be filling it in more further with using the Miss Clair Eyebrow Cake. I'm going to use these three colors and going to fill it in and also flick it later. And here I'm using House of Makeup Oh My Black. This is like a kajal pencil, and I'm just going to be very nicely tight lining it onto my upper lash line, and also I was slightly going to make it like a eyeliner. For mascara, I'm going to be taking the Colorbar mascara. I'm going to coat my lashes, but it is very similar to MAC mascara. The first end I'm going to be using for my upper lashes, and the other end I'm going to be using for my lower lashes. Definitely she has worn falsies to complete the look, and especially I'm talking about the upper lashes. I'm not talking about the lower lashes. Here I'm going to be doing a trick for my lower lashes. I'm going to make individual lashes using a tweezer, and you can definitely do it, and the outcome is very beautiful. For the highlighter, I wanted to pick something that is very universal, and now the best part is that it's in India, so you can get your hands on them. It's available on Nykaa and all the other places I'm going to mention in the description. And here I'm going to be applying it all over my face using the Fix Plus. I'm going to melt all the powder in, and here for my lip liner, I'm going to use the Lakme 9 to 5 color, will be mentioned in the description. And here is the most favorite lipstick of all times, cult favorite of mine, of course. This is the Ruby Woo from MAC, and this also come in Lal Ishq. So this is somewhat how the look has turned out to be. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe. You can also connect with me on Instagram because I'm very active there. I upload like 6 times a week and sometimes 7. So in case you want to check that around, please go ahead on my Instagram account and pop me a message in case you have something to ask. Thank you so very much for watching this video. Happy Diwali.